It's time to find out what's in the dish. Please reveal.
Is it lasagna?
Sam, what do you think it is?
Looks like lasagna to me.
It's moussaka. It's definitely not your tourist island moussaka. It's my mum's moussaka. A very special recipe that originates by her being brought up on the island of Cyprus. Don't think cliche, okay? Because if you think cliche, you're going to be wrong.
I've eaten moussaka before, and all I know is that there's mince, eggplant, and a bechamel sauce.
Tom, there are 20 ingredients in George's mother's moussaka. Please taste and tell us one of them.
Tom, what is the first ingredient?
The first ingredient is eggplant.
Eggplant, Tom. Eggplant it is. Commonly used in a lot of Greek cookery.
Sam, please taste and tell us one of the 19 remaining ingredients. Sam, are you ready to name one of the ingredients?
Yeah, there's onion in the moussaka.
Interesting. Onion it is. Tom, what is the third ingredient?
The third ingredient is olive oil.
Olive oil it is.
Sam, name an ingredient.
One ingredient that I know goes into bechamel is flour, so I'll say flour.
Yes. There is flour in moussaka. Tom, tell us what the fifth ingredient is.
The fifth ingredient is garlic.
Of course garlic is in moussaka. Well done, Tom.
That's quite stressful.
Sam, please name another ingredient.
Butter.
Butter it is. Well done, Sam.
Thanks,
Good
mate.
job.
Cheers.
Tom, 6 ingredients have been picked, 14 to go. Time to taste.
The possibility exists that I will be going home because of one ingredient. I feel nervous because of that.
There's bound to be a couple of ingredients in there that are designed to be in there to stump us. Even though you think it's obvious, you do doubt yourself a little bit.
What is your choice, Tom?
If I don't get this right, that's it, and it's bye-bye for me. The next ingredient, I would say, is milk for the bechamel.
Milk is in my mum's moussaka.
Sam, I'm sure I don't need to remind you that one small slip could cost you your dream of becoming Australia's first MasterChef. With that in mind, please name another ingredient.
I'll say salt.
salt it is. Well done, Sam.
Thanks, George.
Like all good food. Tom, there's 12 ingredients left. Your decision, Tom?
My next core ingredient is capsicum.
Capsicum, it's definitely in my mum's moussaka recipe. Well done, Tom. Top job.
Sam, your turn. Name the ingredient.
I'm going to say tomato.
Yes, tomato it is. Well done, guys. I mean, so far, 10 ingredients, 10 to go, but this is the second half. And the second half of any good football match is the one that counts. Tom, step forward. You might like to taste again and give us the 11th ingredient. Tom, what is your choice?
The 11th ingredient is thyme.
Are you sure there's thyme in my mum's moussaka?
I'm not 100% sure.
Tom, unfortunately, there's no thyme in my mum's moussaka.
My second chance at the MasterChef title is over. I won't be getting a third chance. I'm disappointed only because I think I've let myself down, and I'm thinking maybe I've let the judges down as well.
Unfortunately, you got it wrong. Sorry, mate.
That's fine. And look, thank you very much for bringing me back. And I came in thinking, even if I'm here for a day, just having had that opportunity and the recognition from the two of you and Gary, I really appreciate that, and that gives me a lot of confidence. It's unfortunate that I couldn't actually prove that I am capable in this competition, but I wish Sam the best, and I hope you'll do very well and keep on dodging those elimination bullets.
Yeah, I don't know if I can, Tom.
Tom, if you had a second chance to pick an ingredient, what would have it been?
Cheese.
Well, Tom, if you said cheese, you would have been right.
Can I ask what type of cheese?
Kefalo graviera. And no, I wouldn't have expected you to say that.
Yeah.
Cheese would have done it. These are all the other ingredients that you could have said. Cumin, cloves, sage, cardamom pods, bay leaf, cinnamon, minced beef, veal, oregano. Tom, you said thyme, and I think you were a bit baffled between oregano and thyme. A very similar flavour, but I think thyme is a lot more lemony, where oregano is a lot more fragrant.
Tom, failing to get those ingredients, picking time, doesn't really reflect on your capabilities as a cook. The reason why you came back, we brought you back, is we know you have those capabilities. So take that away.
Look, I love food. I love cooking food. I love the presentation. I love everything about food. And not surviving this competition won't actually change that. The next step for me in terms of moving forward, having learned what I've learned from this competition, is to actually really sit down and think really hard about taking the opportunities from this competition and how I can actually make that work for me.
Tom, keep tasting, keep enjoying, but also please keep thinking. Thank you very much indeed. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Cheers, mate. Good luck.
Same.
Good luck. All right.